What's up guys, my name is Connor and today I have an exciting review for you guys on the Rolex Day Date in rose gold with the very sought after olive dial. I'm going to be trying it on, breaking down all the details of this watch, so if you guys do enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe as it really helps out my channel and gets my videos shown to more people. And with that said, let's get right into the video. So just before I begin unboxing, I want to let you guys know that this model comes in 4 different metals. It comes in a white gold, yellow gold, platinum, and the one that we're going to be reviewing today is going to be the rose gold. And as far as the rose gold goes, the olive dial is going to be the most sought after dial for this metal. The retail cost is currently $40,350 USD, and the current market value is around $55,000 to $60,000. So on first impression of this watch, you guys are going to notice the rose gold 40mm case, with the also rose gold fluted bezel, with the sapphire crystal inside of it, with the cyclops lens and the olive dial of this watch, and then the hands and markers are also both going to be rose gold. And then turning this watch to the side, we're going to have the twin lock double waterproof system right here, making this watch waterproof for 100 meters or 330 feet. Now this watch is going to have an approximate 70-hour power reserve, meaning that you can go 70 hours without wearing this watch before it stops tracking the time. And then turning this watch to the bracelet, we're going to have the iconic presidential bracelet right here with the 3-piece links. It's going to be completely rose gold throughout, and that's going to bring us to the concealed folding clasp right in the center. So who is this watch for? This watch is for someone that loves the classic Rolex presidential bracelet. They like seeing the day of the week on the front of the watch, and they want something that's very stand out, given that you have the rose gold paired with the olive dial, which is very sought after and definitely has a nice pop to it. So with that said, if you guys enjoyed this video or found it useful at all, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you guys have any other watches or anything else you guys want to see on my channel, make sure to leave it down in the comments. And if you guys like this watch or any of the other watches that I'm showing you guys on my channel, make sure to message me on Instagram at Connor Langley or just Connor Langley on Facebook, and let's get the watch on your wrist. And with that said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.